So, what's up, guys? Hope you guys are all doing well. Have a pretty exciting video, at least in my opinion. We're going to be putting on some new wheels on the Tension today. As you guys may or may not know, I've been running these gray Graham lights for a while. And if you guys didn't know, these wheels are originally off my girlfriend's car. And so I'm just going to be giving these wheels back to her, and then we're going to be heading to the tire shop and getting new wheels and tires put on. Well, new tires put on the wheels. I'm not going to be having them put on the wheels themselves. I'm going to end up coming back and putting them on later today, but yes, I'll go ahead and show you guys the wheels. So these are the new wheels. I think they're called the External Blue. I think that's what they're called. External Blue, Mag Blue, or something like that. But they're a really deep blue. I have the two of them right here, and then the other two up front. Unfortunately, one of them does have a little scuff. Well, I guess some of them have scuffs here and there. I don't know if you guys can see, but the wheels aren't perfect. I did get them used, but we're going to be putting tires on them and putting them on the car. I'm not all too worried about the small little scuffs. It should be fine. I'll get like a marker or something for that. But yeah. So guys, I just got back from getting the tires put on the wheels, and I sort of started changing the wheels already. Here are the gold Graham lights, the ones that are going on my girlfriend's car, and here's the other two. I already did put two of them on the passenger side, but here's what the wheel looks like. This is the one that is curved, unfortunately, but I think I'm just gonna get a Sharpie and mark over that. But yeah, hopefully after this, the weather does look like it might rain, but hopefully we can go and take pictures of the cars here later, mine and my girlfriend's, hopefully, if she's not too tired from work. But that's what the wheel looks like. I'll go ahead and give you guys a sneak peek of what it looks like. Obviously, these tires, if I'm being honest, they don't fit how I would like them to fit. As you can tell, they're not as flush as the old wheels. The old wheels look a bit more flush, since these ones are 245s and these ones are 255s. But hopefully with the 245s it won't rub as much, since when we would load up groceries and stuff like that, the car would rub in the front and in the rear. It wouldn't be just when it was loaded up, it would be when I had passengers. This side, for some odd reason, would rub really bad. But this is what the car looks like with the new wheels. I'm gonna go ahead and put the other two on. Yeah.